Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. I hope you didn't miss the episode from last week where I was joined yet again by Chef Dennis Chan for another fabulous episode of our cookie series. If you missed it, of course, you can check it out right here. The holiday season is finally upon us, and it is time to start thinking about your holiday gatherings, what food you're gonna eat. Hopefully you have a fun side dish to bring to a party. And if you need ideas, I've got a great one for you today. We're going to be making cheesy pull-apart pesto star bread. For that, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 tube of Crescent dough in a large sheet, a 1/4 cup of pesto, 1/2 cup of Italian blend cheese, and 1 large egg. First step is to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You're going to roll out your Crescent dough sheet on a large piece of parchment paper. Take a sharp knife or a pizza cutter and cut the dough in half so that way you have 2 equal-sized squares. Evenly spread your pesto on one of the dough squares. Sprinkle with your cheese and then place your second dough square on top of the first. Place a small round cookie cutter or the opening of a glass right into the center of your dough square. Use a sharp knife to cut 16 strips around the center of your cookie cutter. Take 2 of the strips that are next to each other and gently turn them inwards towards the other and then pinch them at the end. Scramble your egg in a small bowl and use a basting brush to baste a thin layer of egg across all of your star bread. Then this is ready for baking. You're going to bake the bread in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the top of the bread is beautifully golden brown and you see your cheese starting to melt. And with that, our pull-apart cheesy pesto star bread is absolutely done and wonderful. The egg wash gave this such a beautiful golden brown color. The pesto has such a beautiful aroma and then has this great little pops of green in the twisted parts that you can see here. It held together really beautifully, and as you can tell, this star bread gets its name from its gorgeous star shape that it creates, or even maybe a sun shape, and then you can see our ring here in the middle from where we had our cookie cutter. And the best way to eat this is to pull off the arms of this star and dig right in. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our holiday ready, fabulous for hosting, pull-apart cheesy pesto star bread. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my delicious recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.